In this media, steering mode is selected and operated. The image shows steering control panel, rudder angle indicator, and rudder. The selector switch is clicked to choose the steering mode. The selected mode is highlighted in green light in the panel above. For non-follow-up mode, use steering lever on the right side of the steering control panel. For follow-up mode, steering wheel is turned to give wheel order. For autopilot, the course can be set by clicking the numbers on the keypad. The Enter button has to be clicked after selecting the required course. The Reset button has to be clicked for setting a new course. Check the corresponding change in the rudder angle in the rudder angle indicator, change in the direction of rudder movement in the rudder, and the change in ship's course in the gyro repeater.